Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by selecting the exact YouTube song and noting the start and end times you want. This saves time later. Next, download or record the audio legally. MP3 or WAV is best for clarity. Once done, move the file to your computer or phone and open your ringtone editor. You'll need quick access for cropping. Make sure to keep a backup copy in case you need to revert. These initial prep steps set up a clean workflow. You'll now focus on precise editing. Import the audio into an editor like Audacity or a phone app. Trim to a ringtone length, typically 15 to 30 seconds, and place the best hook where the ring starts. Once trimmed, apply a short fade in and fade out to avoid abrupt cuts. Normalization helps ensure consistent loudness across devices. When satisfied, export as MP3 or M4A at 128-256 kbps. You'll then have a clean, phone-ready file to transfer. Finally, move the edited file to your phone's ringtone folder or use the system import in settings. On iOS, you may need GarageBand or iTunes Sync. Then assign it as ringtone or text tone and test at different volumes to ensure clarity. If it won't play, check format and length first, then verify app or OS permissions. Convert to M4R for iPhone or ensure file name has no special characters. If problems persist, re-export with different bitrate and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.